Hi, today I'll be showing you how to organize and manage files. So this tutorial will be about understanding file manager in cPanel. So this will be a walkthrough on cPanel file manager covering how to navigate folders, upload and download files, and also use built-in features like file compression before you download the files. So that will be what I will be showing you today. So as you can see, you should be familiar with this interface by now. This is the cPanel interface for the website. So let's go to the file manager. So this is the file manager. So it's loading up. Okay, now here is the file manager. So as you can see, these files are, or these folders are folders that are inside the file manager on default. So these are folders you find inside the file manager on default, but you wouldn't really be making use of them, but this, except you're familiar with or you know what you want to use them for. In other cPanel interface, you can see another folder for subdomain. So if you want to create a subdomain for your website, you can have another folder for subdomain somewhere. Here is the public_html where your website file is uploaded. So let's open it up. But before we do that, this is the trash bin. Anytime you delete a file, this is where it comes, except you want to delete it entirely. So let's quickly open the public_html. So these are the files inside the public_html. As you can see, this is the website we uploaded yesterday. Here, the wedding website. So as I said, I'll be showing you how to navigate through this folder. So this is like the admin folder asset. So these are folders inside of the public_html where the website is being uploaded. So let's say you want to open a file. You can right click, open. Once you click open, it's going to open the folder. It's going to open the folder. And these are the files and folders inside of the folder we just opened. So you can go back, you can navigate back, click on public_html. It's going to take us backwards. We can also upload files. I already showed you how to upload a file here, but what I'll be showing you is how to download a file and download a folder. So you can't just download a folder without compressing it. So you have to compress and download, or you can add to archive if you just want to compress the file without downloading it. So you can also move your files around or copy them into different folders as you wish. So this is where you can do that. So, and this is the rename. You can also rename your file and folders as you wish, and also delete them whenever you want or when you don't need the file anymore. So now I will just show you how to compress everything on this website. Say you want to do a backup for yourself, you can select all the folders and the files, and you right click. You can see add to archive. So when I click add to archive, it's going to bring out an option for me to create a name for the file I want to add to archive, then select the kind of file or type of compression I want to be done before the file is downloaded. So let's click zip because I want the file to be as a zip file. So this is a default name they gave. We can change it to, we can call it demo underscore website. Let me just connect the demo website here. So when I click compress, so file is compressed. You can see file compress success. So, and here is our file here. So let me select all these files. So this is the file we just compressed here, demo website zip. So it has compressed everything on this public underscore HTML into this file you're seeing here. You can see the memory is 21.39 megabytes. So if you want to download the file, you can right click and you can see download. So when I click download, it's started to download. You can see the file is downloading demo website .zip. So the website is currently downloading. So once it downloads, it goes into your file manager for your computer. There you can access it. If you want to re-edit the file, you can do that there locally. So I think you got that. So let me close this for now. And what else would I like to show you here? Navigating through folders. Okay, so I've already shown you how to navigate to. So this is also another part where you can see your files listed. So but without clicking open, so you can just come here, click on this drop down. It's going to the arrow button is going to drop down the folders inside the admin. So I think it's quite slow because of the download I'm doing. My network is quite slow. But that's what it's meant to do. It's meant to like drop it down just like it did here. And the next and the next. Okay, it just opened. So you can see it how it drops down. So you can also access the files inside each folder from here. Or you can also, as you can see, we also like accessed another folder inside the admin, and you can also see other folders inside it. So even without double clicking here and trying to open, you can also access your files from here. Let's go ahead to also delete a file. So let's delete, let me delete this. So we just selected this, highlight you remove. So once you click remove, it's going to ask you whether you want to delete it entirely. So whether you want to move it to trash or you want to delete it entirely. So if I unselect this or uncheck this, it's going to delete or remove this file entirely. But if I check this, it's going to keep it in the trash bin. So because I don't need it, I will just uncheck it and remove. Okay, so our file just deleted. Sorry about that. The network was bad, so I had to refresh the page. So as you can see, the file has been deleted. If you go to and even our file is still even downloading. Okay, this was in the trash bin. So as you can see, we can't find the file in the trash bin because it has been deleted entirely. So let's go back to the public underscore HTML where our files are. So I think that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe as well. Thank you.